Hey guys, welcome back. So let's start today's session. In last session, we have defined like sales office, sales group, and all the assignment part. Okay. Now let's see this image, this enterprise image. We have done defined the sales organization part. Uh, yes. Okay. Sales org is done. Distribution is done. Sales office is done. Sales group is done. Okay. Division is also done. Now what we need this part. Okay, so this part is defined by FI people, not by the SD consultant. So we'll start our today's session with company group. So what is group company? So let's say inside the Tata company, there is a Tata Steel, the one business which we are taking, Tata Consumer. Okay, this is another consumer. Tata, there is a service related also with Tata provide. uh, okay, all these things. Tata is in like multiple business. So the main parent company is will define over here. Okay. Okay. So I'm just logging in Fiori. So the process will be same. You can straight away log in GUI. Okay. Now in Fiori, when I want to open the SPRO, so there is a way. Either you can go from here. Okay. Through menu, or you can ask your basis team to create a inside this section. It can be any section. Let's say your my home section. They can create a tile. Okay, and inside that tile, you can when you click over there, you can access the SPROD code. Okay, so I'm going in a general way, like considering the ID system, most people won't be having that much of access to create a tiles with the help of basis and security team. So there is a way, just open any transition like business partner. Now click over here, menu partner, setting. Okay. Now click on this show OK code field. So, okay. So after coming here, just type \n SPRO. Okay. Now we are in the SPRO screen. Let me just full screen. Okay. Now we'll go to SCP reference IMG. Now what we are doing, we need to define the this company group. Okay. So it will come under FI. FI people will be defining this in real time. So for practice scenario, I'm just defining it so that we'll have a complete business process further along with the all the accounting process as well. Okay. So this is what we need to define company. Okay. So in our scenario, and like whatever till now we have taken, I just noted over here. So we have taken the sales of kind of ZS01. Okay. So I'll just go similar kind of. Okay. Let me just refer and copy one. You can create own also. Okay. So let's say I'll copy this. Already Tata Group is there. I'll Tata Consumer. Okay. So I'll take kind of ZA01. Okay, I'll just save it. So we have given the group name. It's ZA01. Okay, or you can go with ZA00 also. So ZA0 was already there, so I have taken this thing. Okay. Now we have defined this group. Now what is the next step? Okay. Now here we have defined the group. Now we'll define the company code. Then we'll do the assignment part. Okay. So what is company code? So here I've written a definition. Let me just zoom it. Okay. The company code is an independent legal accounting entity. Balance sheet and profit and loss statement are legally generated at this level. So all the FI part will be taken care over here inside the company code. Okay. So let's define the company code. Okay. One more thing. If you want to see the T code here, even though in Fury also, you can click over here. Then I think yeah. Additional information here, display key, IMG activity. Yeah. So you can see the T code, what I have written over here, OX02. Okay, you can see the T code over here, last 4 digit. I'll go and execute. Okay. So the best practice over here, even the SAP recommended, you should copy and create. Okay, I'll just copy. Let's say you can take any standard, but here to reduce my work, I have taken or I have already created one company. So based on that, I'll copy. Okay, 001. So we'll go with the 001, execute. Click on yes. Do you allow different? I'm gonna say no. Yes. Okay. Okay. So there are company code is kind of a heavy object, so a lot of data will be copied in backend. So that's why it will ask so much and it will take time. Okay, save in a TR. Uh, Say anything yes or no, doesn't matter. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, finally, it is copied from ZA0 to ZA01. Click on back, close it. Now, just go again. Okay, now click on position ZA01. Okay, double tap. So the name what we want, it's Tata Domestic Cell. So in the main, from where I have copied, I have taken this thing only. When you copy first time, it might come with a different name, even though with the different address. So make sure to update this after copying. Okay, I'm just saving it. Okay. So now our next part is also done. Uh, Now, the most important part over here, or else you will get the error. Just check the OBY6 setting. Okay, for reference only, I've taken this screenshot. Let's see, no system. I'll straight away go with backslash and OBY6. So the company code CA01. Okay. So this chart of account is important. Okay. Then fiscal year is important. Credit control area will assign later on. Okay. Okay. So that's it only. Just save it. Okay. So next part, we'll assign the company code this group to this group company. Okay. Let's go here. SAP reference IMG. Now enterprise structure. Now assignment part. Come to financial accounting. So it's kind of easy. That's why it's called guided configuration. So we'll follow the first one, assign company code to company. So just click on position. The company code was CA01. Okay. The company which we have, group company which we have created is same name only. So we'll go with the Z01, hit enter and save it. Okay, so we have assigned the company to company code. Now when we see inside the sales and distribution, this was pending. So now we have created the company code. We'll assign sales organization to company code. So whatever the business will do, all that particular entries will be posted in this particular company. Okay, so when you're working in ID system, if someone have left blank, you will get this type of error. Just provide anything. Okay, so I want to open sales of ZS01. Okay, the best part of Fury, you can just zoom it. In Jira, you can't. In Fury, it will get adjust easily as per your screen size. You can zoom in and zoom out. So it's quite easy. Okay, and helpful also. Okay, now the sales log which we have taken is ZA01, and the company code we need to assign is ZA01. Okay, because we have copied from ZA00, that's why ZA0 was coming over here. So we need to just replace everywhere. I'll just save it. Okay, now this is also done. Okay, let's come to the main screen. Now, here, group is done, group company is done, company code we have defined. Now the main part, which is plant, will define this. So let's do it. The plant will be defined by consultant. Okay. So what is a plant? A plant is a operation unit in logistic where goods are manufactured, stored, or distributed. It is central to SD, and PP model. So let's understand the plant concept. Okay. So inside the plant, all the manufacturing process, whatever the company is dealing, all the process will be happening inside the plant. Okay. So let's say considering a scenario, Tata Consumer is selling, let's say spices. So for a spice, let's say for that particular product, we need raw material. Okay. So that raw material will process further and will make a kind of semi-finished, then finished product, then we'll sell it. See here, how actually it's happening in real time scenario. Let's say the truck is coming inside. Okay, now it will bring some raw materials. Okay, now the raw material inside the plant, there is a storage location. So they will bring that raw material and they will store inside the storage location. After that, they will you can see the storage location over here, raw material storage. Okay, they will store it. Now what they will do, there will be a kind of PP module. So all the production planning will be happening. Now this part is of part. Okay, here as per our requirement, we have ordered something from the vendor. Okay, so this will come under Okay, now see next part. Here, from raw material, the product will be, they will process the product and they will complete into a next stage. Kind of raw material will become semi-finished or finished product. Okay. So this whole part will come under the PP model, production planning. PP consultant will work here. Now, there is another part. So once they have done, the quality test will be done. Okay. So this part, QM part. It's look like small, but uh, it is not that small. Okay. So QM part. Now after this, once it is ready, so this all you can consider all this as a storage location inside the plant. This is a raw material storage location. Okay. This is a finished good storage location. Okay. Now once product is ready, now it's our part to sell it. Okay. This our part to sell it. So this will come under the SD. Inside here, there are some related to this shipment. If the company is having a kind of big logistic department, then there is a separate module called as TM module. Okay, so this will be managing inside that TM module. Okay, so this is the complete process, like how material comes in. Okay, then material. Okay, then material will convert into uh, finished product. Once finished product is ready, so we'll sell that product to the customer. Okay, and okay, there is a once let's say the finished product is ready, then there are further criteria to check the product here. Quality, once it is done, then picking, packing, delivery is created, then is a shipping point. Okay, from where the goods will be shipped to the customer. That's it. So this is the complete scenario of plant. Okay, so let's define plant. Okay, so to define plant, we need to go in SPRO, then definition, then in logistic general. Okay, now you can as per the SAP best practice, just copy it from any plant. Okay, so I'll just copy from the plant which I have already created, ZS00 to ZA01. Okay, execute. So plant is also a big object, so it will take a bit time, not as heavy as company code and sales automation. Okay, so once we have defined the plant, just come over here, define plant and click on position ZS01. So each and everything will be copied from your reference plant. So inside the reference plant also, I have taken Mumbai plant and all this address I pre-filled. So in your scenario, it might be different. You just need to go here and rename it. Okay, just save it. Okay, so let me just go to navigation. Okay, so we have defined the plant. Now we have defined the plant. Now we'll define the storage location, which we have seen as per the this thing. We are having finished storage location, raw storage location, kind of. So let's define this thing. Okay. So remember this thing. This is the part of consultant. They will in real time they will define. So provide your plant ZA01 execute. Okay. So I have already copied from the 001. That's why all the store location is coming, which is because this is also available out there also. So what I can do, I can just click on new entry. So I can just go with ZFin. It means finished product, or you can just go with the standard. It will be sufficient. Anyone you can choose it. Finished product. Okay. I just finished product. Okay. Okay. You can create as many as you want. Let's say in this scenario, there is a raw material also, semi finished also. So you can create. But as of now, I'm just going with one only. Just save it. Now the next assignment part is here. We want to assign plant to company code. So come here, assign in logistic general, assign plant to company code. Okay, CA01. So here, company code is different. What I need to do, I'll just delete it and save it and go back. Then again come in. Now check whether your plant is assigned or not. No, it's not coming. Now I will click on new entry. Take your company code ZA01. ZA01 is my plant also. Hit enter and save it. Okay. Now, just now we have created the plant. Now we'll go with this thing. Okay. Click on position ZA01. Nothing is coming. Click on new entry. So our sales log was ZA01. Distribute channel is okay, Z1. Then ZA01. Hit enter. There was one more distribution channel which is Z0, and the plant was Z01. So this plant is selling to this distribution channel, which is distributor sale and common distributor also. So we are selling from this plant to this kind of business. So that's why we are assigning the distribution channel to plant. Okay. Okay. So let's see what is a shipping point. So we'll go with the definition first. An independent organization unit at a fixed physical location where the shipping activity is initiated. Okay. Okay. So this is the shipping point. Inside the shipping point, we can see there is a loading point as well. So this is kind of forklift is there. Okay. Crane is there, and manual activity is also done. So this is shipping point where the goods movement will be done. Okay, so let's define shipping point. So we'll go with the definition. Okay, now logistic execution. You can straight away copy and or you can create also. There is no issue. This is not a big part. Okay. So I already have created ZS0, ZS00. I'll go with ZS01 same way. I'll copy. Okay, it's not copied. I'll go inside it. Click on position ZS01. Okay, now let's see in detail what are the shipping points, various fields. Okay, so shipping point is it's a physical entity, so that's why it is having the address. Okay, so I've given this address, so on, executed. Okay, now it's based out in India, so IN is coming over here. Okay, so next is factory calendar. Okay, so factory calendar. From here, we'll decide let's say there is a company, let's say government company, which is working on between Monday to Friday only. So when someone is creating the sales order, okay, on Saturday, okay, Saturday, someone is creating a sales order. The shipment related process won't be happening. So that control we can set it up over here in the inside the factory calendar. So whatever the holidays is there, if we set over there, then that process this auto cycle won't be completed over here. Okay, so that's why we use this factory calendar. There is a ship time also. Let's say between Monday to Friday only. The timing is 5 9 to 5 p.m. Okay, the process should be completed between this only. If it is outside this time, then it won't be getting completed. So in between 9 to 5 only, we need to complete this shipping process. Okay, so we control over here only. Okay, let's see next part. Okay, which is delivery load time. So from here, let's say a customer place a order. Now, customer want to know when the order will be delivered. Even from our side, we should know like how much time it will take to ready the order. Okay, so kind of here we'll get to know. Let's say X product is there. So what is the loading time if it is a heavy object? So the time we can maintain over here. Okay, and loading time in work days, loading time in hours. Okay, now pick pack time, same thing. The time will be maintained over here. Okay, below this all things this will be used in the print format. So I'm just keeping it here. When you later on when we will create the print output related to delivery, so we'll use this thing. From here we'll use all this concept. Okay, now we have defined the shipping point. Now we'll assign the shipping point. So this shipping point will be assigned to plant. Okay, the shipping point will be assigned to plant. So we'll assign it. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, I'm just closing definition. Now we need to go with the assignment. Now come to logic execution. Now click over here, assign shipping point to plant. Click on plant. So here it's not the same way like what we used to maintain new entries. Okay, this is a bit tricky, but it is easy only. Okay, Now let's say I want to assign a shipping point which we have created ZS01 to plant ZS01. Now click on plant. Now type just press on your keyboard Control F. Now this pop-up will come. Now provide the input, your plant input ZS01. Hit enter. So likewise I've already copied, so that's why it is coming in this way. So ZA01 and ZA00. So let's say you want to assign, click on plant, then click on assign. Let's say I'll assign this thing. Now, okay, now it got assigned to plant. You can save it. Okay, let's define loading point. Okay, okay. So loading point is assigned to shipping point. Execute. Now, in this scenario, we are having three types of loading point, which is manual. Another one is like forklift. One is crane, kind of forklift crane. Okay, so depends. In a business might be a manual only. Sometimes robotics also totally different. So it's varied company to company. Okay, so in this scenario, you have taken this. Even though if responsible person name, you can write it over there. I'm just skipping that part. Just save it. So that's all in today's session. I hope you like the video. So if you are watching till now, it means you find this video helpful. So please hit a like button. And in case of any doubt you are having over here, just comment below. I'll reply. If you have any suggestion for me, any concept you would like to understand, just comment below. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.